Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Ademola TV Plus YouTube channel, your number one online favorite TV. So today is Monday, as well as now we got to celebrate our Mark Crush Monday. Our Mark Crush Monday on Ademola TV Plus, we'll be celebrating in person of Damola Olatunji. Woo, okay. So Olatunji, he hailed from Edoabo, Ife North, Osun State. He has starred in over 50 movies and he is highly in demand on the Yoruba movie scene with his lover boy and action role in movies. He studied electrical engineering at Yaba College of Technology, where he had the flair for acting. His first movie role was Ojo Rain, produced by Opeyemi Ayola and directed by Yomi Fashlanso, who was also his mentor. The multiple awards-winning prolific actor has also starred in top-notch movies like Single Sister, My Wish, Inufufu Ipade Agidi Okan, Agbeke, Backdoor, The Journalist, and so many more. Damola Olatunji is also an actor known for Toromade in 2009 and Arewa Ijo in 2009 also. So, ladies and gentlemen, with all the love the art can give us, join us with the loud ovation as we celebrate a multi-talented actor at Damola Olatunji. Okay, if you just coming across the channel and you love all our content on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you be the first person to get notified anytime we drop a new content on this channel. And don't forget to like, comment, share to your family and friends, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you like this video, find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. Kindly, you can also follow us on all our social media platforms at ADEMOLATV Plus. Follow us on Facebook at ADEMOLATV Plus. Follow us on Twitter at ADEMOLATV Plus. Follow us on Thread at ADEMOLATV Plus. So, till next week Monday when we come your way again, I say bye.